Hey, I'm Chris Whitehurst, and this is the Terms, Tips, and Tricks for Real Estate. And go ahead and subscribe and ring that notifications bell. There's a new episode each week, and you don't want to miss one. This is actually episode 150, and today we're going to be talking about why you need a real estate agent. The first thing is you want someone who has industry knowledge and experience. I can help you avoid some bumps along the way. And when we do have some turbulence, my previous experience as a real estate agent is going to help keep us moving forward towards the closing table. You also need someone who understands pricing and value. Making a mistake here can cost you literally thousands of dollars. I know the numbers and I study the trends all the time. All good agents do. It's our livelihood and it's something we can't afford not to do well. And the third reason you need a real estate agent is marketing and exposure. My abilities to make your home shine out and jump to potential buyers in a very busy marketplace is something I feel very confident with. High quality photos, video walkthroughs, and market area videos are literally just the start of the things that you can expect from a professional agent. I also have access to many more tools through my affiliation with Berkshire, Hathaway, RW Towne. Your home is going to get shown to buyers near and far using us. If you want more information, you can certainly reach out to me directly at chriswhitehurstrealestate@gmail.com or cwhitehurst@rwtowne.com. You can also check over on my website at chriswhitehurst.com. There's a lot of videos on there, particularly the previous episodes on the terms, tips, and tricks. Check me out on Facebook. Check me out on YouTube. Until next time, I'm Chris Whitehurst. Welcome home.